Take a strawberry sponge and cut into two layers. Strawberry sponge recipe, check link in description. Place the first cake layer on your cake base or turntable. Pour ready milk on this layer. Don't over drench the sponge. Then spread frosting. Lay the strawberry crush evenly and nicely over the cream. Keep second layer of this cake over it and repeat same process and cover with frosting cream. Now cut 1/3 part of this layer in capital D shape and keep this part over the second layer. Now it will become 3 steps cake. Cover the cake with whipped cream. Fill your piping bag. Hold the piping in one hand at the top of the bag. Using the star nozzle, we will make borders at top first. Then make borders from each step of edges at the cake. Repeat this process all the way along the edges of the cake. Strawberry crush recipe, check link in description. Now make a line edge with piping nozzle in the middle of all 3 steps. Fill one part with strawberry crush and other part with chocolate ganache of each step. Keep it in refrigerator for 4 hours before serving. Cake is ready.